Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the derivative of natural log times cosine of 4x is actually super fast if you use the product rule correctly. Let's go. First, we identify our two functions as natural log of x and cosine of 4x. We must apply the product rule by taking the derivative of the first part first. Next, we multiply the natural log by the derivative of cosine of 4x. Remember to use the chain rule here, which brings out a factor of -4 times sine. Combine both terms to get cos 4x over x minus 4 ln x sine 4x. This matches option C. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to miss signs. Trust the steps to find option C.